Hey guys, my name is Noria. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is more of just a generic chat, get ready with me. And by get ready with me, I mean just like re-moisturize my hair while I talk to you about how I failed my own hair challenge. Like, I didn't completely fail it, but one of the goals was to see how long I could stay with the mini twist in my hair. Yeah, those mini twists are gone. Technically, if you're going by size, these are still mini twists, but the goal was just to wear my natural hair out for as long as I can and not put the kinky twists, passion twists, whatever y'all kids are calling it these days, put them in. But I almost made it a month, y'all. I almost made it a month, but I couldn't. I tried and I couldn't. So at first, I thought it was going to be the frizz that did it. That did not even stay. I thought it was going to be frizz that was going to drive me crazy. But no, actually, it was like okay with it. I'm like, my hair is naturally frizzy, whatever. It's a thing. Even now, like, I'm frizzy, but it's whatever. It was the fact that I found out my hair is a lot finer than I thought it was. So this is just the Tea Tree Lemon Sage spray from Renpure. Using that on my scalp because it feels so good. So basically, first week was fine. Half of the second week was okay. It was the second half of the second week going into the third that I realized this isn't gonna work. So I thought the worst case I would have was frizz. My worst case actually was that the ends of my hair was unraveling way too quickly. So after that first week, I was having to retwist more twists than I anticipated. So yeah, this is the Adwoa Beauty Baomint Leave-In Conditioning Styler. You guys already know how I feel about this. But yeah, so I was having to retwist almost every day, at least 1, 2, sometimes up to 10 twists, because they would come undone, and I'm like, I had to like physically take them completely out, separate, fully moisturize just to be able to twist it back. And the point of me doing the twist in the first place was for me to have a low maintenance style, so only having to like moisturize twice a week and then having to retwist maybe every 2 weeks. I was having to twist almost every few days after that first week, and I couldn't. I didn't have the time, and I didn't have the patience, and yeah. So I'm not done. Actually, I'll do the oil at the end. So that led to me just spending one day to literally just retwist all of my hair. So I actually kept my mini twist in, and as I was re-moisturizing them, I just added the extensions. So since doing that, I have felt a whole lot better. Granted, I will say my hair was a little bit more moisturized then because I was doing it more often. So now I'm back to only really moisturizing my hair once, maybe twice a week, depending on how my scalp feels. I do moisturize more closer to when I know my hair needs to be washed. So like, I just washed these last Saturday, so they're still fairly moisturized and I don't have to do much to them, which is perfect. But when I initially installed them, or the time I had it in before I washed them, I only had to moisturize once or twice, and then I only retwist a section, like a big section, once every 2 weeks. So yeah, or sometimes I won't even do that. I'll just redo like the first 2 edges all the way around so it looks neat, but that was it. Like, it took down a lot of time from almost daily with the mini twist. So this is the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend. I don't deviate from my products. Like, I found my holy grail hair products, and I'm sticking to them. Oh, this feels so good. Like, a clean scalp feels amazing. I'll have that video up too, by the way, in like another week or so of the full wash day of just what I do for my hair when it's still like this, because I don't... Part of the challenge where I said I wasn't going to take out my twists, I still meant that. I am keeping these in at least until the beginning of the year. I'm going back to my roots where I pretty much kept my hair in extensions because that's just where my hair thrives. Granted, it was thriving when it was just my hair, but I was having to do it too often and it was just interfering with my day-to-day. So you kind of have to just roll with the punches. So I'm happy for my kinky twist being back. Plus, I just like the length. Don't get me wrong, like, I love my hair, but the shrinkage, some days I just want to mainly I just want to pull my hair back up into a bun. Like, and I can wrap around and be done. I can't do that with my regular hair. And I think that was the main reason why I also was like, with the twist, because my hair wasn't enough for it to bun by itself. It would just stick out, and then when it sticks out, you could tell that the ends were just not the same. Some were fully twist, some were just flying, and I was like, I can't go out like that. So the twists are back. I failed part one of my challenge, but I'm still moisturizing it. My hair is doing pretty good. When I washed my hair, I actually did trim it a tiny bit, just get rid of the single strand knots I had, so I didn't take off too much hair, but that's pretty much what my hair is doing right now. This is legitly how I wear my hair 99% of the time. It's ridiculous that I go through all that work to put extensions in my hair and then I just wear it like this. So it is what it is. That's just how I am, and we're just going to keep going. So few months in? Are we a few months in? I don't even remember. When did I initially put my twist in? I gotta go back to that video. I don't know when I initially put my mini twist in. I know when I did my kinky ones, but it's been a while. But hair is still going good. It's moisturizing. My scalp health has improved so much. The only time I had issues was when I had buildup and I really needed to wash these, because since 2 months, almost 2 months since I've washed my hair. Now, maybe 3. Now that I think about it, it's maybe 3, because when I put those twists in initially, it was like from having slightly bigger ones, and then I went straight to the mini and did the kink. Holy crap, it's been probably like 3 months since I've washed my hair. That's why it felt disgusting. I would not advise you to do that. I was fine. I don't have any scalp damage from it. But I would, yeah, I need to keep better track of that. I just kept moisturizing and redoing it. So I need to not do that and be better. So I'm going to actually log all this now. But scalp health is good. I haven't had an itchy scalp or anything like that. It did dry out more towards the closer I got to when I finally washed it. But other than that, my hair has been thriving. So yeah, that's the update on my hair. I am going to be playing around more with the Gemini Natural Colors again, because the kinky twists are in. I didn't really want to do it with my natural hair because that was just extra product buildup that was easier to see, and then with the ends, I didn't want to deal with it. So I will be playing more with those with my hair. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.